My name is Dean Carter and I'm a project manager for McConnell Dowell. So in this project we've done a combination of what we call hybrid pipe jacking. So it's a combination of direct pipe and traditional pipe jacking. This has allowed us to keep the shafts smaller, which is really important in this urban CBD environment.
I'm Amy Blackmore, I'm the graduate site engineer.
I'm Michael Brown, project engineer on the Queen Street project. So installing 1.2 metre diameter GRP pipes or glass reinforced pipes. So first time in New Zealand that we've used glass reinforced pipe with the directional pipe method and a pipe jacking method. And there was a lot of important work that was done to come up with the final solution. All of those efforts have been sort of realised today, so it's made it such a special day.